This is a Hutzl saw, farmertec, Husqvarna 365, 372, 50 millimeter piston, not the big bore. I ended up decking the base of the cylinder. I think we ended up taking a little over 40 thousandths off. Squish is around 16 thousandths of an inch. We advanced timing on it a little bit. We opened the transfer ports, dished the piston just a hair on the exhaust side to keep timing close to stock. Just a few other polishing on things, but other than that, it's 100% Hutzl saw. Cold start. Saw's been sitting out. Temperature is probably 40 something degrees here. We had snow this morning in South Dakota, so we'll see how it does. Show you a compression real quick on it.